This is the Let's Map activity. Please remember to write your name on the blank up top. Fill in the blank compass and use it with the map to help answer the questions. Remember, here is your compass, so you need to fill in for each point on the compass which letter goes there for each direction. We have the post office, fire station. This road is called Park Place. We have the police station, the hospital. This road is called Elm Street. Here we have school, the library, and this road is called Book Avenue, or Ave for short. Number 1 says, what street is the school located on? Number 2, which building is located south of the post office? So remember, you should have south somewhere on this compass rose. Number 3, what is the name of the street that the fire station is on? And you can be looking at your copy of the paper if this is going too fast for you. Number 4 says, draw a pond east of the hospital. Put the pond in the key. So you need to draw a symbol for the pond and write pond next to it to show that that is the symbol for the pond. Number 5, is the hospital east or west of the police station? Number 6, which building is located west of the library? Number 7, Park Place is blank of Elm Street. So here you would either write north, south, east, or west. Number 8, draw a swing set south of the school. Put the swing set in the key. Remember, here's your key, so you need to draw a symbol for the swing set and next to it write swing set. And number 9 says, what street is the police station located on?